Hello everyone, so today I'm out with some of my friends and I'm here with one of my friend from Mumbai. So I'll show you some of the places slowly. Yeah. So we are here right now. Hello everyone, so I'm here with James. He's one of my friends from Mumbai. So he's also Naga, but he settled in Mumbai for some years. So he's back and today's his birthday. Happy birthday, James.
Thank you.
We are going to celebrate. So wait and watch what we are going to do later.
Yeah. Chalo.
So we are taking race in one of the place here. So those are my buddies. I'm going to celebrate one of my friend's birthday.
We have to go and eat in Kohima. This is the bad news. Yes. So this is very working. Yes. So we have to wear the chip करके खत्म जाएगा. हाँ. रात पे वो छाई होता है. शेम. Yes. तो रात में ये
Heavy discussion going on.
वेल से ना उसका. Meku.
Hello, Sagar.
Hello.
Hello, where there? Yeah, hello.
Hi. This is Sagar Gaikwad from Mumbai, Maharashtra. Having fun with my friend, and let's see where he's taking me. And I want to really excited. Beautiful view, by the way.
Yeah.
Good.
So we are taking him to one of the most beautiful place in Asia
It's actually beautiful.
and also in Nagaland.
You can
And
say that.
so most of the tourists visit the places, this place. So
True.
we're here. So hopefully you'll see and enjoy.
Right now I'm enjoying and waiting for the best
View,
Great.
yeah.
Yeah. Let's go there, yeah, man. Yeah. Great.
Okay.
Enjoy.
So here is a self-payment shop. It's interesting. So beautiful. So he's going to give these flowers to one of.
Welcome.
So we're in the location and we're going to have fun with friends, especially for the birthday celebration. He came from Mumbai, and so we're going to have fun together. Just wait and watch. So these are my friends, and you see we are going to cook. Zero. So it's really amazing. So hello everyone, we are on the location, and so this is Arha. Hello Arha. Hello. And this is my brother Salend.
Hello.
So I'm here with Salend, my brother, and with my Mumbai friend Sagar. And this is my friend.
Hello. This is Rocco.
Yeah. The name people are confused of. And here is
Cooking lab party
the professor of a college.
Please tell to his welcome.
And this is my bowler. He's a bowler. Yeah. So we have started our work preparation. So this is how it looks, the location. You can just check out the views. It's so peaceful, so beautiful. Hello guys. Yeah, hello everyone. So I'm with a bowler. So you can see he's really handsome, and he's
Right now we are at Dzuleke.
say something. Say something. You can
We're just enjoying the view.
so we are having a good time. Continue to watch our video. So this is the view and how it looks. It's amazing. The creation of God is so amazing, so wonderful.
As you can see,
Hello friends, what are you eating? Oh, okay, I got you. Okay. I think you are all enjoying, right? Good. Have a good time. So what? So it's been a long time. After a long time, I'm coming out and then having time with my friends again and making a video again. So hopefully all of you will enjoy the view and the video as well. So continue to watch, continue to check the video. So I'm walking on the sand. Okay. So right now I'm going to drink tea at this river, this place. From here I'm going to drink tea. These are my visitors. It's really peaceful. Yeah. So to the lovers of tea, it's for you. Cheers. So the water is very cold and we're gonna swim inside this. Probably this will be around 4 feet, 4 or 5. It's quite deep in those areas. It's not deep, so we're gonna swim over this place.
Tinta bagane ko.
Ulo jog na.
Has tinta bagane khabole hide.
Auri.
Has ari garu.
Why he's going to have this?
not
Uncooked
only
rock.
me but including him.
Oh, he's the one. He's working for our lunch. Hello Teja. Hi everything. He's trying to act like a good watcher. So they're working out for lunch. We're gonna have this. Oh, smart guy. Hey, sige na yung may playa. Yeah. Hello everyone. So this is my friend. Seems like he's working in steel fabrication. So just look, my friends there. Making something.
Stone builder.
Yeah, stone builder. We'll see who will be winner. How many stones? Birthday boy versus Sagar. So
And after
the
that,
birthday
take
boy
slow
is the
motion.
winner.
The birthday boy is winner.
Yeah, winner.
Yeah, now take the slow motion. सब किए करा पानी like this.
Please tell again. Repeat again.
Please tell Japan, request Japan to make building like this. Like how many story and how many parking we should keep. Like 3 floor parking here. Okay. Here James can stay. Over here I'll stay. I'll take this penthouse. I don't have a problem. So I'm taking. I took the penthouse.
Okay.
It's mine.
Okay.
I'm taking this to Mumbai. Okay, thanks, man.
Sorry,
He's an,
sorry,
he's
birthday
giving
boy.
Penthouse to me.
It's okay. Another scam.
He's not wearing pants, but he gave me penthouse. That's good.
More taller.
More taller, yeah.
Scam. 2 scam.
Wow, but you have authority for the only one floor.
No.
I'll break that of lower floor.
3 scam.
Wow,
Sure,
that chota one for the just jacuzzi.
Oh,
Bas
they're
ho
having
gaya,
fun.
bas nahi,
They're having fun.
ye gira
Check
nahi.
out how he is making this. Wow. Wow.
Foundation.
Yeah, foundation.
This is the logo.
First floor, second floor.
That's parking.
This is the parking lot.
Tesla, only Tesla. Elon Musk's gaadi, he's
breaking
going
down.
he's a Tesla guy.
There's a- In our group, this is the most sincere guy. He's still single and available. He's cooking for us. That's the guy who is
Lonely man.
lonely man. He's thinking that he's in Eden Garden.
Mr. Singer.
Hey.
Sagar. Hey, you need to capture this. Have you ever seen right before the river? Have you ever seen POILWA in Nagaland?
So we can see families coming for outing. Hello. Hello. Wow. Whoa. You're so strong. Whoa. Hello. Smile. Smile. Woo. So he came from Mumbai and he's collecting stones from Nagaland and he's going to take it to his place. Sagar, look this side. He's addicted with this piling up the stones.
I did this. So much hard work to
Aye.
collect in such a round stone.
Yeah,
See, so round like
so
the
beautiful.
earth.
Yeah,
Yeah, we are somewhere here. Maybe.
good job, Sagar.
Yes, but all round stones, so you can take top shot.
Yeah.
Yes, take top shot.
Wow. See.
Yes.
Bye-bye.
Hello. I'm running again.
Amazing swimmer. Slow swimmer.
So right now we are enjoying. Hello, 1, 2, go. Whoa! So, whoa. So they are warming themselves after swimming. Wow.
Hello everybody. Aja ina Dzuleke re James la birthday celebrate kuri ase.
So I'm warming myself here.
ঠিক আছে
Click this photo.
Yeah. Celebrity on the line. Behind the scene.
Sir, autograph please. Sir, autograph. Need your autograph. Photograph is enough. I need your autograph now.
Dzuleke very enjoy, beautiful, very love. God bless you.
So this is the nature, and to the lovers of the nature, it's for you. It's amazing. So this is our special. We're gonna have this. So he's making coffee. Check it out how he's working with his tools. So he already made one for me. I'm going to drink this. Wow.
cocktail out of here ko de
Yes. Yeah. 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 Karak.
chalo chalo
1, 2, 3.
Hello everyone, so we are done with celebrating my friend's birthday. We are now moving out from this place, so we are all on our way now. So we have parked our car there, and so we are going now. Just see this little boy. So cute. So on our way we are stopping in this place. Just check out the weather. It's very foggy and you can just see the place. Wena, you wanna find this weather in Mumbai?
Yeah.
So the birthday boy is enjoying a lot
Yeah,
after a long years.
yeah, after 2 years.
2 years, right? So this is one of place where we can take a shelter. Oh. So you can see the details out here. So this is General Mohu Guzantsu, Scotland, 1962. So we have reached one of the cafe. Right now we are in the cafe to celebrate this birthday or this cake.
चलो चलो कट 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 कैमरा कट